So let me show you the topics that we have reviewed on the slide and see how they work on a real KVM host machine. So to start with, you need to find out if your CPU supports virtualization. So that would be the proc CPU info file. In this file you get information about your current CPUs, and what we are interested in is the flags line that we see here. So what you should look for is the VMX parameter. This is an Intel-based CPU, and on Intel it should read VMX. If you don't have VMX on Intel, or SVM if it's an AMD CPU, you cannot do virtualization. But this CPU is perfectly fine to do virtualization. Oh, and by the way, if you are running in a VMware virtual machine, you can configure VMware Workstation or VMware Fusion to offer virtualization support on the virtualized CPU. That is kind of cool. This is a virtualization platform that is running within a virtual machine. Can you imagine that? A virtual machine in a virtual machine? It's bad for performance, but it is cool that you can do it. And it allows you to practice this stuff if you are running from a virtual machine. So the next thing that you need is Linux kernel modules. So lsmod pipe grep kvm will show if the kernel modules are available. And we can see that there's the generic KVM module and there's the KVM Intel module that offers specific platform support. And the last part is that we need the libvirtd service. So to check that, we use systemctl status libvirtd, and that is showing me the libvirtd is enabled and it is active and it is offering services. So this machine is completely ready for virtualization support. And oh, what also can be interesting, let me do an IP link show. In IP link show, you can see that there's a specific network device as well, which is BR0, which is the virtual bridge. It's like an embedded switch that lives within the machine that you are using. And it's offering the capability for virtual machines to share the network connector that is physically present in this machine.